Hello, it's great to have you back on Clever Tricks. Have you ever walked into your kitchen only to find cockroaches crawling everywhere like this? Not only are they unpleasant and unsanitary, but they can also carry a variety of bacteria and other disease-causing germs. No matter how many different methods you've tried, they keep coming back, hiding in dark corners and waiting until your home is quiet before coming out again. If you're tired of wondering how to get rid of these unwanted pests once and for all, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing several simple methods using common ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen to help eliminate cockroaches from your home. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the most effective tip. Method 1. Get rid of cockroaches with soap. First, mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons of bar soap with 500 milliliters of water. Stir gently until the soap is completely dissolved, then pour the solution into a spray bottle. If you don't have soap, you can use dish soap instead. To enhance its repellent effect and give the solution a more pleasant scent, you can add a few drops of peppermint or lemon essential oil. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When you spot a cockroach, spray the areas where they commonly hide, such as kitchen corners, cracks and crevices, under the sink, or around floor drains. These are places cockroaches frequently inhabit, especially at night when they are most active. If you see a cockroach out in the open, spray it directly, especially on its underside and abdomen, so the solution coats its body more thoroughly. Soap works by reducing the surface tension of water, allowing the solution to coat the cockroach's body more effectively and potentially block its breathing openings, causing it to weaken quickly upon direct contact. However, this method is only effective against cockroaches that are sprayed directly and cannot eliminate an entire infestation on its own. For long-term cockroach control, combine this method with good kitchen hygiene by keeping the area clean, drying damp surfaces, storing food in sealed containers, and taking out the trash regularly. By treating cockroaches directly while eliminating their food and water sources, you can greatly reduce the chances of them returning. Method 2. Get rid of cockroaches with cornstarch and bread. If you're worried that spraying a solution around the house will leave surfaces slippery or sticky, here's a gentler alternative. Let's get started. The first ingredient you'll need is cornstarch. I'm using this brand, but any cornstarch you have at home will work. Next, prepare about 40 milliliters of clean water. Regular tap water is perfectly fine. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the water and stir until it is completely dissolved. Once the cornstarch has dissolved, it's time to add the next ingredient, sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the mixture and stir well. The sugar acts as a natural bait. Its sweet scent helps attract cockroaches more effectively than the other ingredients alone. Keep stirring until the sugar has completely dissolved. At this point, you'll have a slightly thickened mixture that is perfect for soaking into the bread. Next, prepare a piece of bread. You can use stale bread, sandwich bread, or sweet bread that is 1 or 2 days old. Slightly dry bread absorbs the mixture better and is easier to use as bait. Use a spoon to spread the mixture evenly over the entire surface of the bread so it absorbs enough of the solution. Now it's time for the final ingredient, baking soda. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of baking soda evenly over the bread that has been soaked with the mixture. If you don't have baking soda, you can try using baking powder instead, although it may not be as effective. Next, cut the bread into several bite-sized pieces for the cockroaches. Once everything is ready, place each bait piece on a small plastic lid or a shallow tray. Place the bait in areas where cockroaches are commonly seen, such as behind the refrigerator, in kitchen corners, beside the sink, near drain pipes, or in dark, enclosed spaces that are rarely disturbed. These are the places where cockroaches typically hide during the day and emerge at night to search for food. If you have young children or pets at home, be sure to place the bait in locations that are completely out of their reach to prevent accidental ingestion. To keep the bait attractive, replace it about once a week. If the bait becomes dry or shows signs of mold after about 5 to 6 days, discard it and prepare a fresh batch. Many people believe that only dirty homes have cockroaches. In reality, that's not necessarily true. Cockroaches can travel from neighboring homes or apartments through plumbing, wall cracks, floor drains, or gaps between rooms in search of food and water. Method 3. Get rid of cockroaches with banana and flour. Next, we'll make a simple cockroach bait using just bananas and flour, ingredients that almost every household already has. First, prepare 1 fully ripe banana. The riper the banana, the stronger its aroma and the more attractive it is to cockroaches. Peel the banana, place the flesh in a bowl, and mash it thoroughly with a fork. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, add enough all-purpose flour to make the mixture thicker and more cohesive. Then add a small amount of baking soda and mix well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. At this point, you'll have a thick, sticky mixture with a sweet aroma that is highly attractive to cockroaches. Divide the mixture into small trays or shallow bowls. Then place them in areas where cockroaches are commonly found, such as inside kitchen cabinets, under the sink, behind the refrigerator, in the bathroom, or near floor drains. The scent of the banana helps attract cockroaches, while the mixture retains its aroma for longer, allowing the bait to remain effective for hours. Method 4. Get rid of cockroaches with ginger. First, prepare a fresh ginger root. Rinse the ginger under running water. Next, place the prepared ginger on a clean cutting board. You can slice it thinly with a knife or crush it with the back of the knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will help release more of the spicy juice from the ginger through the cut surface. Crushing ginger breaks down its cellular structure, allowing for the release of more allicin and other volatile pungent compounds. Next, finely chop it. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent odor. This is a sign that the ginger is starting to work its insect-repelling properties. The more thoroughly the ginger is prepared, the more effective it is at repelling cockroaches. Then place all the ginger on a clean plate. 3 to 5 milliliters of dish soap. And add water. The surfactants in dish soap destroy the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, causing them to dehydrate quickly, as well as paralyze and poison them. Once both ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water temperature will help release the spicy compounds in the ginger more effectively, while also completely dissolving the dishwashing liquid, allowing the two ingredients to work together more powerfully. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and let it soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the pungent compounds from the ginger continue to seep into the water and fully mix with the active ingredients of the dishwashing liquid. After soaking, it's ready to use. If you have a small spray bottle, simply filter the solution and pour it into the bottle for convenient and precise spraying. Alternatively, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour in the solution, and poke a few small holes in the cap, and you'll have a simple cockroach repellent spray. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Focus the spray on corners of the kitchen where cockroaches often hide, such as the gaps between cabinets and the floor. These are damp, dark places with standing water, making them ideal nesting sites for cockroaches. They usually hide here during the day and come out to forage at night, especially in storage areas inside cabinets, which often harbor cockroach eggs and larvae. Thorough spraying is essential. The drain pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always damp and may contain leftover food, which also needs to be addressed. The dark, damp environment, coupled with the hidden food source, makes this a safe haven for cockroaches. After thorough spraying, the solution will penetrate deep into the crevices. When cockroaches crawl over it, contact with allicin and the detergent will gradually cause them to lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. After thorough spraying, the solution will penetrate deep into the crevices. When cockroaches crawl over it, contact with allicin and the detergent will gradually cause them to lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed, causing them to quickly dehydrate and die gradually under the continuous effect of the solution, blocking their foraging route. Don't forget the trash can either. The inside and outside of the trash can often get covered in leftover food and dirty water, easily attracting flies that will swarm the house. In particular, the gaps between the bottom and sides of the trash can are where cockroaches congregate. Don't overlook the bottom of the can. Spray repeatedly to ensure the solution covers all hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of ginger will stimulate their nerves, while the dish soap will be toxic, causing them to die quickly. Combining the dual power of ginger and dish soap creates a protective net, leaving cockroaches with nowhere to hide. If you found these tips helpful, give them a try at home. I hope they help you deal with troublesome cockroaches more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment saying, "I want more," so I know you're interested and can share even more useful tips. You can also let me know which pest you're most afraid of: cockroaches, mice, or some other insect. Thank you for watching. I wish you success with these methods and hope you enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable living space. See you in the next video.